What's in the big box? Come here. You ready? Come here. You ready? Looky here. Looky here. What is it? So, I'm under the car, removing the exhaust, and for the exhaust you've got your muffler here, and you're going to have one bolt right here, and that's right behind the axle. And then on the other side you've got one bolt, which I've already removed, and I've already unbolted it from the cat up front, and I'm cutting it here so we can get it up over the axle. Then we'll be piecing the new exhaust together. Alright, so for now the exhaust is buttoned up. We get it on the ground to get the tailpipes leveled out a little better. But, so new Catback exhaust with dual tips. Let's see how it sounds. So for the exhaust, you're going to meet up here with the cat. And it's going to run straight back. There'll be a plate right about here with 4 bolts. And then run it back right by the axle. You're going to have a clamp here. And that'll just simply run up over the axle. And then on the back, you're going to have clamps on both sides. Get down there and just run the exhaust as even as you can. There's 2 frame rails. It's real easy to line them up with and put them exactly where you want them. Stripping all the T-top parts off of a Camaro for a 95. Even Ricky's out here ripping parts off.